The AMP 50-watt Nano Clamp Connect transformer is a sleek and compact powerhouse, the perfect solution for small spaces like apartments, condos, and patios. Crafted from durable black ABS plastic, it blends seamlessly into any outdoor setting. With easy-to-use clamp connectors, you can set it up in no time without the need for tools. Compatible with all AMP fixtures, it features a removable wire exit for quick access and comes with a 5-foot cord, perfect for flexible installation. And if you want smart control, pair it with the Ring Outdoor Smart Plug. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this transformer is built to last. The Nano transformer is your go-to for compact power management.